Hi, how are you? You can see a nice canvas here. So the blue color and the gradation of the white color you can see here. Now we're going to making the variations of the water label. So this is the water, just putting the white colors and putting some shades of the water on the canvas. So you can see the shades. So this is the water lines. Here you are going to see the mountains, bigger mountains. Okay, that's why putting the shade in white color on the top. Another mountain line is just going up hills. Okay, need to put the white tone more. So on the right side you can see the shades and left side is little bit darker. Another top you can see, or you can say the mountain peaks. Okay, if it's in a far distance, then yeah, you can see it's a partially visible, not the fully visible. Okay, so for the water label we can add another blue color, which is little blue, and just to make the variations of the water label, we're just putting few outlines within these white lines, you can see. Okay, that's how the waves of the water pattern you can see just becoming nice. So there's the variations always we need to do in order to make the scenery very lively. Also putting that kinds of shade in the bottom. Okay, so for the mountains here we need to put few outlines with the colors. Just putting here few outlines on the left side only, because on the right side you have a mountain shades. That's why you can see the colors on the left side. The mountain is getting visible very nicely. And also for this one, just on the left side putting the colors, taking more blue to emphasize the border lines. And if we put it a more thickness, then you can see it's going to be the prominent in the canvas. So visually there are three mountains which you can see from here, and outlining the dividation points very nicely. Okay, ফ্যান ফ্যান নিয়ে দেন, সমস্যা নেই, ফ্যান ওইদিকে নিয়ে দেন. Okay, so because some mountains are visually clear, because there's the narrators, and some mountains are visually lighter in color because that's in a far distance. Okay. And in the foothills of the mountain we're just going to put some landscapes. So we need a different color formation, just putting the colors at the bottom. Those are going to define the soil at the foothills. Otherwise on the top the white color, those shows the the snowfalls and the ice which is accumulated on the top of the mountains. Okay, so you can see these are the present at the bottom, the usual landscapes. Okay, now if you like to draw some the trees, then we are going to do it later, but before that one, let's put something in the skyline. Okay, so there's usual the golden color, but we're going to mix it with the white color, and just it's going to be nicely visible and becoming lighter in color, making different types of shades and putting the variations of the skylines. If we just put few strokes here and there, so you can see the line is just uh, distributing with the surrounding skylines. That looks good. That's a different types of painting style. Okay, so as you know, if it's a far distance from here, then we are going to put the tree lines with the darker color formations. So let's put it in a darker color. Okay, make the top pointy and bottom little bit spread out. Okay, so those are going to define the skylines. You can see the variations of the height. So height variations, because when the trees are naturally grown, not all the trees are of the same height, so there must be height variations. So when you do the brush strokes, the painting, you have to have patience and do your drawing in your own style. But when you do work, just stay consistent over the time so that the final completion of the drawing becomes a nice one. So almost done the tree lines. And a few patterns maybe here on the right side. Okay, and putting the darker colors at the bottom of the canvas, mixing it with the whole canvas. Okay, so the drawing is finished. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.